Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on bolded text on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it's all going to work the same. So to turn on the bolded text on the iPhone, you want to go to the settings, and then you have two options. You can do this either in the display and brightness, and here you can select bold text, and also you can go to the accessibility, then to display and text size, and here you can also turn on the bold text. So two options, just take a click right here, or in the display and brightness, bold text. This will do just the same. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.